Dumelang bahaeso la moetswe ka diatla tse mofuthu kgasong ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho ho SABC 2 empa ha re qale ka dihlooho tsa tsona.
Tomorrow the attack starts. Yes. And we are not going to relent.
So le Msimanga o kgethilwe hape ho ba moetapele wa DA Gauteng sebokeng sa mokga se tshwaretsweng Boksburg e Guruleni. Modulasetulo wa DA wa lekgotla la bofederale e leng Helen Zille o re bokamoso ba Afrika Borwa bo matsohong a mokga wa habo le EFF. O re puso ya ANC e tlo fihla pheletsong sekgale. Zille o buile sena sebokeng sa DA Gauteng moo e tukisetsang dikgetho tsa isao.
DA e ho setse hanyane fela hore e amoe ANC marapo a puso provinseng ya Gauteng. Modulasetulo wa DA wa lekgotla la bofederale Helen Zille o re palo ya bona ya bakgethi e eketsehile. Mme seo se tla ba fa monyetla wa ho fetola maemo a moruo a Gauteng. Zille o re dikgethong tsa isao e tla ba le kgetlo la ho qetela ba qhutisana lehlokwa le ANC.
In this election it may be blue versus yellow. That's what it is in this election. But let me tell you something. It won't be long. It won't be long before the choice is between blue and red.
Ho sa le jwalo, mokga o phatlaladitse komiti e ntjha ya baetapele Gauteng. Mme Msimanga o boetse o kgethiwe hape e le moetapele wa province.
Tomorrow, door-to-door starts. Tomorrow, registration starts. Yes. Tomorrow, the attack starts. Yes. And we are not going to relent. We are going to be relentless as we are going to be proving that we are the one and only alternative to the mess that South Africa has experienced.
Tebello ke hore sebokeng sena DA e tla gala maano a ho theola ANC pusong Gauteng.
Melata e makgolo a mararo e hlokang ditokomane e tshwaretswe thepa ya mokunyata letsholong la sepolesa la Shanela le neng le eteletswe pele ke letona Bekicele setsing sa mabenkele sa Johannesburg Gauteng pejana kajeno.
Letsholo lena la Shanela le ne le boetse le tsepamise maikutlo kgatikelong ya melao ya tsamaiso ya masepala wa Johannesburg.
The place is high on crime. The result of crime, our people that they get stabbed here, they get robbed and all that. So we have come just to have some prevention of crime.
Letona Qele le re ba fumane lesedi la hore dikgutlwana tsa ho rekisa di ngodisitswe ka Maafrika Borwa fela di sebediswa ke melata.
They are licensed and permitted under some South Africans, but those South Africans are not utilizing them. They hire them, they lease them to the foreign nationals.
Ati haileka akon hu Mpumalanga ba hlanka ba ka sehlong ba sepolesa ba re matsholo a twantshwa ditlolo tsa molao a nkile mothinya o mong le ha ba a iba felletse ke tshepo sepoleseng.
When I look at it, it won't work because now we have so many crimes.
Maybe this operation, it will assist us or it will help us.
Ba bilelo ba supileng ba tshwere bekeng ena ba mangwa le tlatlapo ya makoloi a tsamaisang tjhelete a Konhu ko Linkomazi.
When we look into our crime threat analysis, we had the information. We are utilizing our community on the ground because these are the people that they know where these plans are being made.
Mo commissioner wa sepolesa sa province o re ba hloile dibaka tse thefutsweng ke ditlolo tsa molao mme ba tla romela mapolesa ho beha maemo leihlo.
Ho sa le jwalo motlatsi wa letona la sepolesa Castle Mathale o ipileditse ho Maafrika Borwa o tlaleha bahlanka ba sepolesa ba sebetsang le dinokwane. Mathale o buile sena nakong eo a neng a tshetleha puo kopanong ya Imbizo e kgahlano le tlhekefetso ya bong le tshebediso ya dithethefatsi e neng e tshwaretswe Ikageng Potchefstroom provinseng ya North West kajeno.
Such police officers don't represent us, and we would like the community to, in confidence, give us information regarding that so that relevant authorities, be it within the SABC itself or within IPAD, we can give them the information so that they deal with those officers who are engaged in criminal activities. The community members, when they come to police to give us information, the intention is for SABS to respond appropriately, not for SABS members to collaborate with criminals. Such are not elements who represent us appropriately, and they must be weeded out. But generally, we are confident that working together with our people and community structures like your CPFs and other structures that exist within this community, we will be able to deal with criminality in this area.
Di-Springbok di leetong ho leba Europe ka jeno mo di tlang ho bapala dipapadi tse pedi tsa boitshwariso kgahlano le Wales le New Zealand ho lokisetsa dipapadi tsa mohope wa lefatshe tse qalang mathosong a Lwetse France. Mokaptene Siya Kolisi o re sehlopha ha se dithotwahatsi ebile ha se bontetekeng. Mokwetlisi e leng Jack ni Naba o re o lebohile ma-Afrika Borwa ka mamello ya ona nakong eo sehlopha se ntseng se itukisetsa dipapadi tsena ho sireletsa bompudi ba mohope wa lefatshe.
There's a whole lot more experience than the last time, and there's more. The guys have grown for is older, and so there's more leadership in the group as well. And the guys that are coming in are not coming in blind, like, you know, they know. They've got people that they can ask, you know, we can talk to guys who have never played it. So I think we're in a little bit of a better place, like mentally as a group, and yeah, just going in with a little bit more confidence than the last time.
Yes, for the South Africans, I just firstly want to thank all the supporters for allowing us the ability to build squad depth. First of all, and I know sometimes they don't always understand it in terms of, and it's not nice to go to a test match and you pay all this money to go and you take your whole family and you lose. But we're busy with the plan. We were busy with the plan, and things are obviously going to funnel now and get more focused.
I'm telling you, Springbok is going to win it again because we are the defending champion. We have to Deutsch, we have to Free, we have Poland, we have Siya Kolisi. They're going to do it for us. I am so happy.
O ka buela o fumana ditaba tsa rona ho YouTube ka SABC Ditaba-Dikgang, ate Facebook account ya rona ke Ditaba_, Twitter ya rona ke @Ditaba_Dikgang, ate o ka buela o romela video ya WhatsApp e sa feteng 30 seconds ho 078 459 0881. Ba haeso moifo wa ditaba tsa Sesotho o entse o lekane phirimaneng ena, kopane le moifo wa rona wa ditaba tsa Setswana hosane ka Sontaha. Bolepi bo a latela. Ke o ta.